Ek is by Rapella Meat Traders by 12 Simontallerstraat, Potgietersrus. En ek gaan nou vir julle wys hoe lyk hierdie afval wat hulle hier verkoop hier binne. Vars af. Die beeshart is R39 per kilo en hierdie beeslewer is R49 per kilo. Marientjie, sê vir my, wat kos hierdie beeshakke? So, wys ons bietjie nog, wat het jy hierso?
Morning. So this is our gallet. Our gallet, the price per kg is R39.99. And then this is our fresh liver. Per kg is $49.99. And this is our ox heart, fresh, $39.99 per kg. This is our spring, per kg, $21.99. And this is our lungs, ox lungs. The kg is $24.99. And then this is our cow goose. Our cow goose per kg is $49.99. This is our mala darams, per kg $24.99. And then this is our black tribe, fresh black tribe, black always. So the kg is $39.99. So you're welcome all. Thank you.
Thank you, Marientjie.